Hi everyone, today we'll go through a tiny Java project, MyPoint project. I'll explain every line of code and show the output. This will teach you classes, constructors, this, method overloading, and how to compute distances. We are using the same Java 21 and Eclipse Java Developer Edition. Let's dive into the code. This declares the package. It means this class lives in a folder named MyPoint project. It helps organize code and avoid name clashes. We declare a public class named MyPoint. Public means other classes can use it. These are private fields that store the x and y coordinates. Private means only code inside MyPoint can access them directly. This is the no-argument constructor. When you create new MyPoint with no values, it sets the point to the origin 0, 0. We use this .x to refer to the field x of the current object. This constructor accepts two integers and sets the fields accordingly. The parameter names are the same as the fields, so this .x makes it clear we mean the field, not the parameter. A setter method to change both coordinates at once. Again, this .x assigns the parameter value to the field. getXy returns the coordinates as an int array of length 2. Index 0 is x, index 1 is y. This overrides to string. It returns a readable representation like x, y, which is handy when printing the object. This method computes Euclidean distance from this point to another point. Steps for calculate the distance. First step xdiff is horizontal difference. Second step ydiff is vertical difference. Third step v-square differences, add them, then take the square root. Overloaded distance, accept another MyPoint object. It calls the earlier distance to avoid duplicating code. Another overloaded distance with no args, distance from this point to the origin 0, 0. This is the end of the mypoint.java file. Next we create another file test mypoint.java file under same MyPoint project package. And we start writing the code. We start with the package declaration, package MyPoint project. This means that our class belongs to a package named MyPoint project. A public class with the main method, program entry point. Main runs when we execute this class. Create point1 object using the no-argument constructor. So point1 starts as 0, 0. Create point2 object with x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So point2 is 3, 4. Update point1 from 0, 0 to 1, 2 using the setter. Print point1 coordinates by calling getXy method and accessing 0 of x and 1 of y. The printed text becomes point1 coordinates after set xy, 1,2. Print point2 using toString method which returns 3,4. So the line printed is point2 coordinates 3,4. Compute the distance between point 1 and point 2 using the distance of my point method. The distance method returns a double which is concatenated and printed. Compute point 2's distance to origin using distance method with no arguments. Thus the result is printed. That's where we completed the code of file testmypoint.java successfully. Let's run the code. And there you go, we have an output as we planned while coding. Note the distance prints as a double. Java prints 5.0 because the return type is double. That's it, we built a tiny myPoint class and used it from testMyPoint. We covered fields, constructors, this, arrays, toString, method overloading, and distance math. Try the exercises and comment any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.